Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with complete GitLab CI/CD pipeline tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about merge request. So what is merge request and how we can create merge request and how we can review it, how to approve it, and how to merge with other branches. Okay, and what is the importance of this merge request we are going to see in this video. Okay, so let's understand this, what is merge request first. Okay, so a merge request is a way to request the integration of your changes into a target branch. It's a crucial part of collaborative Git workflow where developer propose, discuss and review code changes before they are merged. Okay, so first we have to create a merge request, then someone from your team will review this merge request, and after like everything seems fine, then he will approve your merge request and he will merge your branch into the whatever branch, like next release or master. So he will merge your branch into that branch. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how we can do it. So I have some project here. Okay, so let me click this. I will clone this. Okay, I will clone this. I will click on Visual Studio Code to clone this repository directly. Okay, so I will clone it in home. Okay, so I need to select some other folder. So downloads. So our repository is getting cloned, so let's wait for few seconds here. So it's get cloned. So now let me open. So we have one file .gitlab and -ci.yml. Okay, so what we how we can like test this and how we can create merge request. Okay, so first go to the main branch. Okay, and open this, and as you can see the same piece of code is available here that we have here, right? Because we are on main branch. So let's see how many branches we have here. As you can see, we have only one branch, that is main branch. Okay, so let's create another branch. So git checkout -v, and suppose we want to create next release branch. Okay, hit enter. We have next release branch here. Okay, so suppose we don't want 3 stages here, we want to remove this deploy stage from here. Okay, so just remove it and save this. Okay, so as you can see, now we have to commit this change. Okay, so let's commit with the appropriate message. So removed deploy stage. Okay, now let's commit it. Our branch is not there. As you can see here, only one branch we have right now, right? So we have to publish our branch here as well. Okay, so click on publish branch, go to the GitLab. Now let's refresh this and see, you pushed to next release just now, right? Let's explore the branch. We have next release branch as well. Okay, and main branch default, that is protected branch, so directly you cannot commit into this branch. So we can we always make sure that our main branch like master main is protected, so no one can directly commit into that branch. Only a specified user that have a specific permission, they can only like make any changes to a specific branch and they can directly merge their request. Okay, but all the developer which they are developing the whatever feature they are developing, they cannot directly merge their changes into the next release as well as main branch. Okay, so let's go here, and we have successfully committed our changes, right? So go here and click on create merge request. So if you don't know not getting this, okay, so you can go here, click on MR merge requests. Okay, new merge request, click on this, and you can select your branch, which branch you want to merge. Okay, the source branch and the target branch. So we have target branch main, we want to merge our next release branch into the main branch, right? So now we have to compare branch and continue. So we have to click on this. Okay, so we are getting here the title remove deploy stage. Okay, so you can assign someone, assign to me, and you can also include from your team like someone to review your changes before your changes got merged to any like master branch and main branch. Okay, and next release branch according to your company standard. So here we have some milestone that is not exactly useful. Okay, but this merge option, these are really useful. So the first option is delete source branch when merge request is accepted. So do you want to delete the source branch, that is next release, whenever merge request is accepted or not? So if you don't want to delete, you can uncheck this, and squash commit when merge request is accepted means if you tick this, then whenever like merge request is accepted, it will automatically get merged. Okay, so click on create merge request, and how you can check the changes and how you can compare the changes that you have on next release and the main branch. You have to go here, click on changes, and as you can see here, this deploy stage got removed, right? As we have removed from here, right? So we have removed and we are able to see it here as well. Okay, so pipeline that after removing the stage, okay, that this pipeline got triggered. Okay, when we push to our changes to next release, go to the overview, and we have to approve this from someone from your team who have like reviewing permission. They will do it on behalf of you, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let me approve it. Okay, so I approve this. Okay, now let's merge this. So now our changes that is getting merged in the main branch. Okay, our pipeline is running now. Let's click on the pipeline ID, and as we can see here, our stage build is running, and then after that test stage will also run. So how many stages we have here? Build and test. Okay, so we have defined here 3 stages, but we have removed from here, so it will not impact any issue. So let's refresh this. So build is passed and test is also passed. Okay, so just now it's passed, right? So let's go to this repository. Okay, and explore the code. So before we have 3 stages, right? As you remember, we have here deploy stage as well. So now from our main branch that deploy stage is also got removed, right? So this is the importance of merge request, and this like help us to eliminate like issues and protect our main branches from like creating any uncertain kind of complexity while working, and it protect our infra as well as the like getting stuck with a lot of unnecessary issue if we don't protect our main branch. Okay, so in the real time you will be also not able to merge any changes to next release branch. Okay, so whenever you are developing any feature, then you have to create MR. Okay, you have to create MR to merge your changes into the next release, and when someone from your team, he will review the changes and everything if looks fine, then he will approve the merge request and your changes will get merged into the next release. Okay, and when everything seems fine, next release will get deployed in the real time infrastructure, and if everything seems fine, then next release will get merged into the main or master branch. Okay, and that branch will get deployed into the production account. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Now you are able to understand what is merge request. Okay, but if you have any query or any confusion, then do let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.